Hey there, donut lovers. Ever wondered if you can bring your favorite treats on a plane? Whether it's for a snack for your next flight or a tasty gift, let's get into the details on traveling with donuts. Can you bring donuts on a plane? So, here's the quick answer. Yes, you can bring donuts on both domestic and international flights. The TSA doesn't have restrictions on donuts, whether they're in your carry-on or checked baggage. But there are a few tips to make the process easier. TSA Checkpoint. At the TSA checkpoint, donuts count as solid food, so feel free to pack as many as you'd like in your carry-on. Even jelly-filled donuts are okay. Just be prepared to place them separately if you have a large box, as they might need extra screening. Placing donuts in checked baggage. When it comes to checked baggage, you can pack as many donuts as you'd like. Just use a sturdy, leak-proof container to prevent them from getting squished or messing up other items. International flights. If you're taking donuts internationally, you can bring them on the flight, but double-check the food rules of your destination country if you plan to carry them beyond the airport. Tips on packing donuts. Here are some tips for traveling with donuts. First, pack them in a solid container so they don't get crushed. Tightly pack them to avoid shifting around. If you're on a long trip, consider freezing them beforehand, they'll stay fresh longer. And don't forget napkins to keep things tidy. Finally, if you want to save space, consider grabbing fresh donuts at your destination. It's a great way to try new flavors, too. Tips on flying with donuts. Bringing donuts on a plane is totally doable. Just pack them carefully, especially on long trips or international flights. If you're not sure about customs rules, it's usually best to enjoy them mid-flight and grab some more at your arrival spot. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel hacks and food-friendly flying advice. See you next time on Travel Closely.